and today I'm super excited because today I'll be showing you guys how you can make your very own cute and cool marshmallow fluff slime. You guys don't know how excited I am to do this DIY. I actually did inspire this video from Sophia Productions. Her YouTube channel is awesome. It's an awesome YouTube channel. I love her videos. I just love how funny she is, how creative she is, and she collects squishes just like I do. So without further ado, let's get started to this marshmallow fluff slime. Let's go! Okay guys, so what you will need for this marshmallow fluff slime is some Elmer's glue, some foaming hand soap, a bowl, a spoon, and some liquid starch. Start out by pouring in your whole bottle of Elmer's glue into your bowl. Okay guys, so now you want to get your foaming hand soap, which I got at Bath & Body, and you just want to pour it in there, and you want to get the consistency, like a shaving cream consistency, and just keep on adding as much as you guys would want. This just makes it kind of like a fluffer consistency, so just add it in there. Okay guys, so now that you have got your mixture made, all you want to do is start out by adding your liquid starch into a cup. And now you want to get your mixture and you want to slowly add your liquid starch inside. Just watch as I do it, but you want to make sure it doesn't stick to your hands or isn't sticky at all. Now you just want to slowly add it in until you get a slime consistency. Just watch. See you guys next week. Bye. Have a fun Wednesday. Peace out.